Alright guys, tech experts here on the Geek network. Today I'm going to be doing a little different. I've never done one of these before. So, normally I play MTG, Magic the Gathering, with buddies at work, just friends in general. So I'm fairly familiar with how that works, but I used to play Yu-Gi-Oh! When I was in elementary school and junior high. Now, I haven't really collected cards at all as far as Yu-Gi-Oh! Goes. I've got a couple, but not a whole lot, not compared to what I have for Magic. But I've been watching the series, and I wanted to get back into it, so I went and picked up a bunch of cards, a bunch of packs, and we're going to do a little unwrapping. There's going to be a couple videos in this first one. So there's a new set that's coming out, and I went to in Magic we call it a pre-release. I don't quite know what they call it as far as Yu-Gi-Oh! Goes, but I've got a couple of, let's see if it'll focus, of these packs here, the new challengers, and I'm going to go ahead and do a little unwrapping of these. So let's go ahead and get started. I guess I've got 5 packs and this card here, and we're going to go ahead and get started to see what we get. Here we go, there's trash. Okay, so the first card we get is Hexatellar Knight. It's a spell card. There you go. So we're going to go ahead and just put that. Mimiclay, that's how you pronounce it. Spell card again. There you go. I've got continuous focus on, so I don't have to constantly reach over there. And then we have a Fairy, Elegy the Melodious Diva, Oracle of the Herald, Calca Malbranch of the Burning Abyss, Serenade the Melodious Diva, Shogi Lance, Linda Bloom, and Block Spider. So that's all in that first pack. So let's go ahead and open up the second one. Okay, so this next card we have is Punch in the Box. Yangzing Brutality. Deskbot 002. Super Heavy Samurai Soulfire Suit. Only Fort Shell. Strike of the Monarchs. Clipper Launch, I believe that's how it's pronounced. Magical Star Illusion. And Fluffle Rabbit. Little fluffy rabbit. There you go, little fluffy rabbit. Toy Vendor. A Fluffle Cat. So a fluffy kitty. UA Powered Jersey. And then we have a Shadow Hound, our next creature. Then we have Draw Muscle. Okay. And then we have a Magical Star Illusion. Another one. Another Clipper Launch. A Wonder Balloon. And a Shogi Lance. Then we have Punch in the Box, another one. Another Yangzing Brutality. Another Deskbot. A super heavy samurai soulfire suit, another one. UA midfielder. And Stellar Knight Trevor. Cool little card. Looks pretty cool. Have to check it out. Again, I have no idea what these cards do, so I haven't played it in years. So Satellar Knight Beetlejuice. Laser clip. Serenade the Melodious Diva. So we got a nice pull from that deck. Or from that pack, I guess. Let's go ahead and open up this next one. So Hexatellar Knight. Another Mimiclay. Elegy the Melodious Diva. Oracle of the Herald. Oasis of Dragon Souls. First Movement Solo. The Phantom Knights of Shadow Vale. Super Heavy Samurai Soulbang Cannon. A Shogi Lance. And that's the last card in this pack. So that's it for those packs here. I'm going to go ahead and stop it off there. And then we will open up. I've got a box of this. Battle Pack 2 War of the Giants that I'm going to be unboxing. I've got the packs from the Legendary Collection. And the Legendary Collection Game Board Edition. So we're going to go ahead and close this here for these packs at least. Again, this is the new Challengers, new set coming out. I want to thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.